the koi ladder. Old school. You guys may not know, but that's 600 pounds of concrete underneath each of these foot. And then each one of these beams are 200 pounds, so each stack here is 800 pounds. It's a 1,600 pound obstacle designed to be completely freestanding with no support and stand on its own. So here we are in the deconstruction of the stage 2 and stage 3 area of the course. You see the ridiculous amounts of wasp nests. Here's one of the original, not the original supports, that's the CCNWTC supports. Here's one of the original supports. These guys. Here's underneath the half pipe attack. Here's the original gauntlet, what's left of it. Everything's really torn apart. So next we have this to tear down. These are the mega platforms. 8 feet wide by 20 feet. This is the last part. All right, till next time on the updates of the Teardown to CCNWTC. Thanks guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. And thank you for all the support that the CCNWTC received from you over the year that it was open to the public. Because of you, we were able to make such a huge impact in the community early in the years and be able to offer a true, legitimate training facility where all the obstacles were 3/4 to full scale and do insane competitions. So thank you so much. Take care.